Okay, this is for Rich. Since Rich is doing his How to Build in Florida, we thought we might actually go ahead and show you what we're doing here in Illinois. And you can see right now at this point, we've got the foundation. We have a foundation set for a crawl space. It's not a full basement, but it's waterproofed on the outside. We've got the gravel down already. There is this drain tile that you see here that's got the sock on it, and there's a better example of it that's perforated to allow water to get in. And then that all runs inside. Those tubes run inside and outside of the foundation. We put them on both sides just to be safe. And then you can see we've got plastic down already, a vapor barrier, and I'm going to try and jump in here. So there you can see some of the drain tiles already set, plastic is already down, and then that all runs over here to the sump pump so that you're ready to go. And if you look in here, if you look close, you see how that water is underneath the plastic. That's the moisture in the ground actually coming up. It hits the back side of that plastic and stops. And that proves right there that it's already doing its job, and we don't even have the concrete poured in here yet. So there you go. It's a good example of how it works. And again, you can see on the outside here, there is the damp proofing, that this tar here that gets put on there, gets sprayed on. Then there's a gravel base, and then we'll finish backfilling this in the next couple of days. So we already set our top plates, or top plates. We already set our bottom plates on here too. And those will get cleaned up, bolted down, so that we've got something to nail our floor joists to. All right. We'll be back with more right after this.